मान्य सभासदों, मान्य उप सभापति जी।
नमस्कार, 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 नमस्कार। Now, the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Bill further consideration. Motion. What do you?
क्या ये तैयार है चर्चा करने के लिए? चर्चा
I called your name, but I don't know.
सर चर्चा के लिए अगर आप तैयार हैं, what is the point of order? What is the point of order? No point of order. आप चर्चा शुरू करिए. आप डिस्कशन शुरू करिए.
What is Yechuri?
शुरू करिए.
Mr. Yechuri.
We will not allow any disturbance. आप डिस्कशन शुरू करिए.
You want personal explanation?
आप चर्चा शुरू करिए ना.
Personal explanation.
आप चर्चा से क्यों भाग रहे हैं? अरे भाई आपके पास अगर कोई होमवर्क नहीं है, कोई तैयारी नहीं है, कोई इशू नहीं है, चर्चा yesterday. And this without issue जो है वो ये रोज जो है एक नोटिस दे देंगे. चर्चा आप करिए.
Okay.
Please allow me.
Okay.
Please permit me.
Yeah.
Sir, it was referred on day before yesterday on Tuesday. It was referred that I am making objections in order to get a television opportunity. I did not object to this yesterday, hoping that you will expunge it from the records. But unfortunately, this was not expunged. This, I think, is a very unfortunate reference that has been made.
It did not come to my notice.
Please, I want to make this clear that we do not raise objections in Parliament or discharge our responsibilities for TV opportunities. TV opportunities will continue to come, and the TV owners and the anchors will tell you whenever their TRPs or the television watching ratings come down, they always ask me to appear. So this is a very wrong statement that the leader of the House has made, and I think the entire House requires an apology for having said that the leader of the House, that I, as Sitaram Yechuri, are raising objections in order to get television opportunities, and this is wrong. Secondly, yesterday, sir, another allegation was made that I had no answer to say under... No, one more...
For outside you cannot reply.
No, sir, one more allegation.
For what he said outside you need not reply.
No, I'm not replying.
If it is here...
It is there on the record. It is on record to say I had no answer why we are asking action against the Minister for External Affairs. Sir, I would like you to draw your attention through you to the government that section 13D3, 113D3 of the Representation of People's Act very clearly specifies why an action should be taken. Indian law is very clear. Corruption means not only acts of commission but also acts of omission. And here we are saying the Minister of Law is an act of omission and therefore action should be taken.
What is going on?
These wrong statements on the record should be corrected.
No, don't display.
These need to be corrected.
I think I'll have to adjourn if this is away.
Sir, please order that these should be corrected.
I will go through the records.
This is a grave injustice to charge members of Parliament as raising issues to get television opportunities.
No,
and
you reply to it.
By name it is being taken. It is there in the records.
I will go through the record. Anyhow, you reply to it.
And I want your ruling on this to correct this.
No.
And otherwise the government should offer an apology for that.
No. What you said is on record.
No, what is this?
What you said is on record. I will go through the record.
This cannot go on. How can this go on?
No. What you said is on record. So now it is on record. Your reply is there. I have to go through that. I have to go through it. It has not come to my notice. I have to go through that. I will go through it. I will go through it. I think we adjourn. What is the point?
Deputy Chairman, sir. Since morning I am on the phone. Since morning.
What can I do? Everybody is like this.
I am not. They are.
You are also both sides. See you.
Sir, 1 minute, Khan.
What is your...
Sir, let me make it clear that I, as a member, have given notice.
No.
I, as a member, and I have my
You don't want discussion. You gave notice. You don't want discussion.
Please allow me.
No.
How can we have a situation that on my...
Why do you speak
Sir,
about
please,
notice?
Please, I'm not... Please allow me.
Why
Yesterday
do you
it happened...
speak about
Sir,
notice
please,
when you
please,
don't want discussion?
Please hear me out. Yesterday and today, before I made any submission, the leader of the House used the notice. No, the mover of the motion is not given any opportunity, and leader of the House has my motion and raises points of order.
Yes,
which are frivolous.
Notices
That
will
is
be
not
shared
fair.
with the government.
Notice is by.
No, listen.
Privilege is by.
No,
Privilege is by.
Anand Sharmaji, notices will be shared with the government.
Let me respond.
With the parliamentary affairs, we share the notice.
Please allow me.
That is a practice. That is a practice.
Notice
has to be shared with the parliamentary affairs. That is a practice. So naturally, the leader of the House can get it. He is privy to it.
Cannot. Where is it? Which rule allows? I am the mover of the motion.
No, the point is, no, I will explain.
Sir, I
got you. Allow me to explain
I
that
have
point.
not finished.
Will you? I got
Give me
your
a
point.
minute. No, sir. Please, Sita, 1 minute.
Will you allow me to
Sir,
explain the position?
Please, before you do that, sir, my submission is that today,
See, notice.
सर कोई इन्होंने होमवर्क किया नहीं है सर इनको होमवर्क करने के लिए समय चाहिए ये 2-3 दिन का समय ले ले होमवर्क करके
notice has to be shared with the government.
10 दिन सर ये होमवर्क करके नहीं आए और जब होमवर्क करके नहीं आए तो हर दिन एक बहाना लेकर खड़े हुए हैं इनको होमवर्क करने का समय चाहिए आप होमवर्क करके आइए होमवर्क करके आइए डिस्कशन करिए आपके हर सवाल का जवाब करिए और वो तो जवाब
Now, honorable members, I have to make it clear that in order to have the smooth functioning in the House, every notice is shared with the Parliamentary Affairs Minister. That is a practice. That is a practice. That is all happened here. Nothing more.
No, sir.
Till you give your ruling to the dot.
No, I cannot give a... If you want a ruling, I need time. I cannot give now. I cannot give... If you want a ruling, I need time. But I am only... Yes.
Every उनका हज यही होता है हार की हताशा से निकलने के बाद अब इस पूरी तरह से एकदम हाहाकार मचा रहे हैं और उससे कोई फायदा नहीं होगा
Before that you will consult the Parliamentary Affairs Ministry. Correct, you will consult. Those are the rules. But before you give your ruling and accept the motion, can that be made public here? That is the breach. Before you can do it.
Mr. Yechury, but I will give the ruling on that later.
I think Mr. Yechury is going a bit too far.
I will give the ruling later. House stands adjourned till 11 a.m. on Friday, the 24th of July 2015. Adjourned for tomorrow.